Dr. Lindsey here. This is a fun, short update on a guy that if you watch a lot of my videos, you've seen a couple times before. And I would guess he's my third toughest patient, meaning tear your head off if you do something mean to him, that we've had in 29 and a half years. And so here's the video. Hey, Dr. Lindsey here. I'm here with, did I call you your normal name or Steve in all these videos?
I think you call me Kevin.
Okay.
Or Tarek.
Yeah.
Whichever.
What do you want to be called today?
Kevin.
Okay. I'm here with Kevin, and we're the same age, right? You're 60?
Yes, yes.
And I met you, and I have pictures up between us. It's been 55 months ago when you came in, and you're in a bunch of videos, so I won't belabor the whole thing. You can go back, interested viewers can go back and see it. But the summary is you'd had 2 unsuccessful hair transplants someplace else, and I've done a couple of things on you, and you, including your eyelids.
That's right.
And you're a tough guy who I would not want to disfigure. And you just walked in today. I'm trying to convince you to come see my band. And you spoke with a customer that we had here today. Any kind of bullshit I've pulled on you in the past 5 years?
None. This is tremendous work.
And how much pain and suffering did you have in any of my surgeries?
I would say none, honestly. Although people might not say 0, they probably would say 1 or 2.
Okay. And when you first came in, because you'd had a poor experience someplace else, you were a little bit uptight, a little bit antsy, like you wanted to wring the doctor's neck, me being the doctor. How did you make it through the anxiety of the first case and figuring out it was actually going to start to grow?
Well, I was more nervous about having plug-looking doll hair.
Yeah.
And I think just our conversation and the pictures.
Okay.
And then I just trusted you.
Okay. And you've interacted with a bunch of our patients here over the past 5 years. Yeah. And any common thread that you'd want to share with these guys?
Well, they all seem nervous, and they all seem apprehensive. And then if I see them later, they all seem happy.
Yeah.
Like me.
Yeah, good. I really appreciate all the business. And I did a video last year, I think you might have been in it, called the top 5 things about being a hair transplant surgeon. And one of the things was that I get to meet some pretty cool people. Now, I won't lie and say I like every single one of our customers as much as everybody else. But I do like a lot of them. You get to know dudes over the course of a couple of years, and I find you to be interesting. And the trouble with doing a hair transplant, we're all done now. There's nothing else to do on you.
Yeah, well.
And so you really have no reason to interact with me except to come see my band.
That's true. I do. And I will.
Yeah. All right, well, if we can help you, please give us a call. Thank you. So to summarize, we took Kevin or Tarek or Steve, whatever he wants to be called in these videos, from a failed 2-hair transplant by a local competitor and made him look unremarkable and happy. And his wife's here with him the same today as well, and his son as well. They all seem happy. So our goal is to just make you look unremarkable. I think he now looks unremarkable. If we can help you, give us a call. Thanks.